Chief Olododo dé. Salut bàtà kékeré kan tó kó sínú omi. Òun sunkún látòwúrọ̀ títí dọjọ́ alẹ́. Dídé sókè fọ́ ojú rẹ̀ wálẹ̀. Bọ́ sápá ọ̀tún rẹ̀, bọ́ sápá òsì rẹ̀. Anybody tó bá wù ẹ́ ló lè mú. Lovely song wey we dey take enjoy our life in the good old days. Woman we dem born from the month of January, February, March, enter April. Oga, your star say poverty na mindset. Among many people you no know. Poverty wey you dey look so na mindset. Person keep money for account, e no mean say e no still get poverty. Wo oga, your star say make e dey spend yafun this period. Newo be ẹlẹ́dà, spend recklessly, be a lavish spender simply because poverty. E no mean say person get money for account. Mindset ni you no hear the term ni accounting term wey dem dey talk. They say credit the giver, debit the receiver. That means anytime when you dey spend like this, money go dey come in for you. Credit the giver, debit the receiver. Na accounting term. Accountant are wise. Mr. Matthew, ẹnáwó bí ẹlẹ́dà. Woman wey dem born from the month of January, February, March, enter April. Aunty, make a person dey chop, you are likely to bite your tongue. Seriously, you know that kind bite wey person go bite him tongue. Hey, my tongue. Your star says you are likely to chop off your tongue. I'ma make this kind of thing for no happen. Before you chew meat, mama saki edo. Before you chop fish this period, before you go into any chewing process, and help me look for paper tape. Benny, to prevent this accident wey I see, help me get paper tape. If you sellotape your tongue right like that, even if you mistakenly or accidentally bite your tongue like this, you are prevented. Nothing go do you. That way go serve as tongue proof. E go serve as tongue proof. Nothing go do your tongue. Congratulations to you, Jerry. Anybody wey dem born May, June, July, enter August, you need not be told. Capricorn na una be. Oga, your star say there's love in sharing. Benny, there is love in sharing. E so mean say one of your guy dey wey dey babeless. Benny, you get one party wey no get babe at all, and you dey rock 3 girls. Kilode so gunlaye ni. You dey rock 3 ladies, and your guy dey no get one babe like this. Your guy is babeless. Aba, there is love in sharing. Your star say make e try, make e remember this your guy. Give am just one out of these 3 babe wey dey your own hand. Give am one out of these 3 babe wey dey your hand. Remember say givers never lack you. Your star says giver never lack you. If you fit give am just one babe out of the 3 wey dey your hand, aba, the baby go enter. The givers never lack. So says your star. Woman wey dem born from the month of May, June, July, enter August. Until your star is so me say very soon you go visit Dr. Boom. I ask your star, why? Wetin concern you and Dr. Boom? Wetin happen? Your star say no one wey you no go visit Dr. Boom. How person go wear wedge? Tabi ayi, tabi all this benga suit wey dem dey wear, and they go dey play gbese for party, and you go take am dey do amajo marijo pako gbese. Yeah, until with this wedge, with this pencil shoe wey you wear, you still dey gbese. Your style say if you no dey careful, where you dey carry the leg like this, ijo pe me maje, you go just hear crack. If you say your ankle is twisted low, e for good. All the bone marrow wey dey inside, plus all the thing, muscle wey hold the gbedu like this, dey hear. Your style say make I beg you, make it try, make it comot wedge if you wan dance gbese. If not, you and Dr. Boom una get business to transfer this period o. So says your star. Kibo, man wey dem born from the month of September, October, November, enter December. Leo, una be Leo. oga anytime wey we see mercury inside Venus like this, anytime wey we see mercury inside Venus, e show say nothing hot e fit disturb you, nothing hot e fit affect you. Wo from now go reach the next 21 days, nothing. Say maybe red oil wey hot, abi hot groundnut oil, abi say person pour hot tea. Lie, nothing hot e fit affect you this period. You are covered. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àmọ́ if you dey doubt am say wetin olódodo you dey talk, neturo jere, you boil water, make e boil shoko, carry am enter bathroom, carry scoop like this, pour am for your hands. Wow. You will be surprised at the magic. Your kan tutu ni the thing go be like say dey pour you ice water ni, e no go hot, e no go harm you. From now go reach the next 21 days ni. Then wo try it. Yoruba people say then wo no be your kere. Between prayer and curse you will send me one. Wo nothing hot wey go affect you this period. Woman wey dem born from September, October, November, enter December. Auntie, prepare your mind. You are going to jam a billionaire very soon. Like say make a person accidentally run into a billionaire. Just start say make it prepare your mind, because are you ready to take advantage of the opportunity? How person go see billionaire wey go come dey do like ogoro. Oh my God! Oh my God! You no go fit collect card. You no go fit collect phone number. Na only oh my God she go dey do loju card ogoro mugu until the person go. You start say prepare your mind, prepare yourself, get ready to take advantage of opportunity, because you will run into one billionaire this period. If you like, do like Mugu. If you like, smart up and link up. The choice is yours. Message dey here. Oyela, who write me ojere? Mary says, Shivolododo, please help me. I need your help seriously because I dey shoplift. Dey shoplift. Bígbà téèyàn jalè ni. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀? Mary said, please help me. I dey shoplift and I've been caught in 2 different supermarkets on the island now. Please help me. This thing is turning to a big shame for me. I am 25 years. Àfi ṣe ni Mary, 25 years. E dey shoplift. Thank God say na on the island. Thank God say the 2 places wey dey catch you na on the island. Into say na Fade you for Musi now. Àkùkọ ti kọ àbí make e be inside Osodi for Brown Street. Make it be Brown Osodi. Emirate law. We thank God say na island. Hey mama. I wan know gangan. Yeah. Solution ide. Congratulations Mary mama. Mama say solution ide. Never too happy make I hear. Wo make we thank God new. See all the place where they cast you na island. If to say na mainland, nǹkan ti bàjẹ́ o. Àmọ́ solution ide. Na one person, because of your beauty, according to mama, you are very beautiful. Now they won't use that one to scatter your beauty. Àmọ́ e no go work. Wo that thing na eyes na dey put am. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, they put ojúkòkòrò for your eyes ni. Àmọ́ where person wey dey put it dey, na a person wey dey remove it dey. Me Shivolododo in collaboration with your mama here, Sanu Asaramaja Saga Begunjalaya, secret dey. Help me just look for snake. Ló bá tán. That big snake. Ló bá tán o. Anybody wey dey shoplift, any child wey you know wey get ojúkòkòrò, na the bum of that snake wey do something like this. You dig, man. That bum of the snake wey do something like this. Now you go take give the pikin 3 mark here, 3 mark here. Water wey dey inside the snake. Water wey dey inside the snake take and rub am lie kò tún jẹ́ gbé nǹkan mọ́. Kò tún jẹ́ gbé wuri mọ́ never. The pikin no go get ojúkòkòrò again. That is ice insect. The pikin no go get ice insect. Kò ní lójúkòkòrò mọ́. E no go dey soft lift again, Mary. That snake, the bum 3 insertion here, 3 here, water wey dey inside the snake make dey take and rub am. Lọ́wọ́ kan ni ajẹ́bi idán ni. Where person wey dey tie dey, na him person wey dey lose dey. Congratulations to you. Skibo Ose Paris.